Okay guys, so good morning. I'm just kind of testing the glare here. The sun is really bright, but we have arrived at our sister plant here in Oakland, and I'm gonna breeze through the outdoor yard first and give you a basic idea as to what's here. I'll try and do a little narrating as we go. So here we go. Starting on the back wall, as you can see, we have some refrigerated the Vendo and Dixie M&M machines. That noise you hear above is the BART train, which we get every 2 trains every 7 minutes. But anyways, I've got pallets of Nuco and Ferguson coffee makers. Now these, most of them are air pot style. We have lines and lines of snack machines. As you can see, those rows are only 3 deep. Now, real quick, I have these classics here, been here forever. These old Coke machines. There are, I believe, 12 of them. And as far as pallets of coffee makers, I'm going to show you just how deep they are. I counted about 18 pallets of the office coffee makers here. They're all wrapped and ready to ship. Probably close to a semi-load. There's a pallet up top there that's triple stacked. Most of them are double stacked. But anyways, guys, as far as some of the older snack machines, soda machines, we've got a lot of them. These rows are all about 6 or 8 deep. Not too many combos. Got Nationals, lots of them, truckloads of them. Looks like a lot of AP 66 and 7600s, great for conversions for the N1 board, or the vendors exchange a retrofit front door. There's a row of snacks. The bottom row is 5 deep. 4 deep across the top. APs. There may be a few here, guys, that are customer machines that are here for refurbishing, so we may have to hold out some of these. But as you can see, we're double stacked here. My guess is there's probably 300 pieces of equipment in this yard. Lots of parts for my coffee buyers. I have 2 guys interested. I've talked to you both, of course. I'll throw in all the air pots, and we have, I don't know how many, but there's a lot. Another row of snacks. That row goes back, looks like 7 deep. Not exactly sure what everything is. That row's got 8 National 4 wides in it. Looking at the bezel, they're at least 1/58. There's a row of, looks like a nice USI Mercado on the front there. Late model 1 on the top, and another 8 machines behind it. There's some soda machines. More snacks. Might be some coffees here, guys. There's some, looks like kind of a mixed row. Those are not all food machines. Most likely 431s is what we have. More AP snacks. I've got coolers galore. Not quite sure how many this trip. I did sell a couple of truckloads, but I've got coolers galore. Other AP snack. AMS. Some of these with the credit card readers, like I said, they could be customer machines. Here's a row of what I remember a couple of weeks ago when I was here of all Royals. It looks like, oh, well, maybe not all Royals. There's 8 or 9 sodas in that row. 5 wide National Crane. There's 9 snacks in this row. 4 on the top, 5 on the bottom. It's an AP combo. A cooler up there, and what's below it I think are more snacks. As you can see, guys, if you're looking for a mixture of snack machines, I'd say from 6600 up to 113s, we've got a lot of them. More sodas. More sodas. I'm going to walk up the next row, but before that, for our parts buyers, I've got 2 probably 16 or maybe 14 foot boxes full of parts there, all kinds of stuff. Hopefully that glare is not going to get to us going this direction. I will do my best here. Got some row changers. Might be more than this. Little Dixie workhorse, like a 154, great for home. Here is some kind of refrigerated unit, USI, I'm not sure what. I do have some restaurant equipment, mostly refrigeration, not too many freezers. Got a few 5591s. Like I said, guys, we're looking for volume buyers where we can load these semis. If they were all 5 wides, which obviously you're probably going to get a mix, you'd fit 34 of them in a 53 footer. So you can figure on 38 to about 44 machines, coolers, in a semi load. So we got a lot of machines here. Most of the stuff out in the yard here is what we would pick from for doing restorations on. I think I have more coffees. It's just an old AP, another cooler, single wide. You guys know what that is. Jomar. Or coolers. Nice little Dixie. Single price. Couple of these back to back. Like I said, guys, the price is going to be right. Not sure if that combo's ours. We don't get too many of them. I've got some of these refrigerated Omni cubes. Great for running your route when you're in a hot climate like me in Las Vegas. There's a couple more single price. Looks like both Dixies. Now I've got a ton of Omni cubes up there. We can't really see them all, but There's got to be a half a dozen, maybe more. There's a big one there. Probably have 8 to 10 in all, at least that I can see. So guys, that kind of gives you an idea what I'm up against here. Let me know your thoughts, and we will get into the warehouse next, but I'm going to post this video so you guys can start enjoying and doing a little shopping. As you know, my phone number is listed on the website, and I will put a link to the website below. So guys, for now, Doug at Perez Vending in Oakland, out. Okay guys, as I walk into the shop, I want to show you a few things. Got some pretty big safes here. I don't know how you'd ever ship those, they're so heavy, but I'll show you a few things in the shop. More Omni cubes, very convenient. A lot of big button Dixies and Vendos. We've got some American changers back here. There's our Donkey Kong. Nice shape. There's our hard workers. We got 5 AC 1001s, differently configured. We've got some green display boards, got some MEI equipped units here. Of course, we can always add MEIs to anything. But it helps to have the right board so we can put 24-volt systems in them. Those are all nice shape, ready to go. Prices vary. Nice Bev Max. What number? 3? 4? 4?
Yes.
There's a classic. '79-inch, the early 79-inch. Somebody's going to be all over that. Okay. All right.
The 4 and the 2 187 and the 432 is got 100. So that's all I'm ready.
Got water dispensers for office, lots of those. Here's our core coin mech department. And I will go up to my office and put these videos on.